This is a super quick tutorial on how to make a copy of a document and how to make a copy of a slides presentation. So for homework, there is a document that has been shared with all the students. But just like in real life, I would take a master copy and I would make enough copies for each person. Digitally, students are going to have to click on a series of buttons to make a copy. And so that's what this video is for. Here's the homework. I'm going to go over to File, and I'm going to click on the title, Make a Copy. I'm then going to change it to where it says Copy of, and I'm going to put the student's name. So student name goes before it, and then I hit OK. This means now I can type all my information in here, and it's not going to interrupt anybody else. If you use the original master, when you type something in here, other people are going to see it or they're going to write over it, and that's going to cause problems. It can change the original master copy. So you always want to go to File, Make a Copy, and then you want to save it with your name at the front of it. Now, once you have done that, once you have a student name version, so let's change this again to Riza Perdomo's homework, I am then going to share this document. Now you can share the document by clicking on the Share button and typing in my email address by looking up Perdomo, and you will find me. The correct one is the one that says @gm.sbac.edu, and you can send that directly to me. If you choose not to do it that route, you could just file, download it as a PDF, and you can send it in email as an attachment as well. That is how you make a copy of a Google document. If you have a Google Slides presentation and you want to make a copy of that, like we did with our math mystery today, it is the same process. I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy, and I'm going to make a copy of the entire presentation. Again, I'm going to change it to the name that I want, so the student's name should go ahead of it, and then I hit OK. Now I can write on this document, I can change it, and it's not going to change the original. I'm going to have my own copy of it. If this was an assignment where I wanted you to write on the slides, which I will have you do throughout this year, you would write on the slides, and when it's time to turn it in, you can click on Share and share it directly with me again, looking up my name and looking for that gm.sbac.edu. You also have the option of the same thing of making a copy, of downloading it as a PDF and sending it as an attachment through an email. I hope that this short tutorial has shown you how to make a copy of Google Docs and Google Slides. This is a necessary skill for us in Digital Academy.